Arrive in style with this Ford 2009 F-150 King Ranch pickup 4D 5.5 feet. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. This vehicle's top features include 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 4WD type, part-time, automatic transmission, clock, in-radio display, 4-wheel drive, fuel economy EPA highway, MPG, 18 and EPA city, MPG, 14, head airbags, curtain first and second row and intermittent window wipers. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to schedule a test drive.